Hi folks, how are we doing? Welcome to another video. This one is actually going to be a quick one. I know I pretty much say that all the time on all of my videos, but this one is. It's more going to be an update on this little Fiesta. I haven't actually posted the video as I'm recording this. I'm going to post them pretty much, that one and this one, pretty much exactly the same time. So make sure you watch part 2 first. I lost my shit and I started fucking ranting because I just got angry about fucking the dodgy repairs on this. Anyway, I've spoke to the customer about it, and what we've decided is, you know, me trying to keep cleaning up all the filler and getting all the shit out of the nooks and crannies is just going to take forever, and I won't be able to do it properly. So what we're going to do is we're going to send it off to be acid dipped and actually get it back to clean bare metal. So then that way, when it comes back, I can really see where it is rather than try and sort of dissect it and piece it together. So let me talk to you properly this time, and I'll show you what I found, really. So we got the wing off, didn't we? Yeah, we got the wing off. Immediately, obviously, the wing wasn't attached properly. I found some rust here. You know, that was pretty much the only place it was welded, other than sort of down here. But you know, all of that's filler there. To a massive fucking whatever the fuck's going on down there. Major concern was this bit on the suspension mount. You know, that's the bulkhead of the car. That's the suspension mount, and yeah, that's just a hole. That was all filler. So I mean, I was pulling fucking chunks out like this. Where's fucker? So we've got this dodgy plate here with another little plate on it. That there is a whole, from what I can sort of really sort of dissect, is a whole plate that has been just stuck on all the way over here. I think it comes to here because you can see where I've sort of framing shit today. You can see where I've sort of cleaned it up a little bit just to try and gauge where it is. There's filler there as well, so I think that plate comes in here. You can see that there is pretty much ready to snap off. You know, you think that plate there, that whole front end is basically ready to just break. We've got a dodgy plate in here. So these, let's grab my screwdriver. So these are just blatant holes straight into the inside of the car. That was all filler. You can see filler here. We've got filler here on the sill. And then we've got all of that's filler. I've pulled all this fucking edge shit out. You can see the holes. Look, that there, you can see light coming through. I can look, cover it on my hand. You can't actually read. I think it's that. There we go. Look, just fucking filler and fiberglass and shit. So yeah, it's going to get sent off for dipping because I ain't going to be able to get it all out. So yeah, I want to apologise for the last video. I did get like proper fucking angry. I was fucking fuming. I was actually ready to smash this up. I don't understand how anybody with a conscience can allow like this to be on the road. Yeah, because that's potentially what it was going to be. You know, Lawrence bought the car, took it to a garage to have all the mechanicals done. Then they found the dodgy stuff underneath, and then I've obviously found this shit. It's scary, really. You know, companies out there are doing this work, and then there's cars on the road like this. You know, if this was in an accident, you know, people would be dead. So yeah, I apologise for losing my shit. So anyway, coming back to this update and keeping it quick. Yeah, I spoke to Lawrence. We've decided that it's going to be sent off for dipping. I literally spoke to him yesterday. Today's Friday. Hopefully I'll try and get this up tonight. If not, but yeah, today's Friday. Whatever fucking date it is, I'll put it on the bottom. We've got 4 weeks wait for it to get in. And then I still want to get that other wing off. You know, so that's all cleaned up. And get the door off, but I need to have a word with him first you know, because he's pretty savvy with mechanics, so I don't know whether he wants to strip it, take the doors off, take the glass out himself, or whether he wants me to do it. So I'll have a word with him, and then we'll sort it out. He's coming down Monday. So yeah, yeah, that's it. Just a quick update, and yeah, again, sorry. So yeah, check out my friends in the description box below. Check out my Teespring store, my merchandise store. Please check out my Patreon, and I'll see you for the next one.